Monopoly Ghostbusters, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Shuffle the roaming vapor cards and place them face down inside the ghost trap card holder. Properties retain the same rules except that they are now called contracts that you claim. Likewise, houses and hotels are called ghost traps and containment units. When you land on a roaming vapor space, take the top card of the roaming vapor deck and do what it says. Then discard it face up next to the card holder. When you land on an ETCO 1 space, you may, if you want, pay the bank $50 to move to any space between your current space and the next ETCO 1 space. Then follow the rules for whatever space you land on. If you land on or pass go while doing this, do not collect $200. When you land on one of the 4 supernatural entity spaces, you must team up with the player to your left to battle the supernatural entity. Each of you rolls 1 die. If the sum of the 2 dice rolled is equal to or higher than the requirement on the space, then you each collect the amount of money listed on the space. If your combined roll is lower, then you each pay that amount instead. The last person to not go bankrupt wins.